Are you facing stiff mornings and joint pain that affect your activities? Knee aches or reduced flexibility can be frustrating. Don't let discomfort hold you back. ProFlexen offers a solution to restore your movement and well-being. It's a powerful formula designed to improve joint health, mobility, and flexibility. In our fast-paced lives, joints face significant strain. Long sitting, demanding jobs, and intense workouts can lead to pain. Prolonged sitting, excess weight, and repetitive actions weaken joints and cause stiffness. If you want to address these issues, ProFlexen can help you find relief. What sets ProFlexen apart is its unique formula. The key ingredient, UC2, is a patented collagen proven to surpass traditional glucosamine and chondroitin. Clinical studies confirm UC2 enhances joint function and flexibility for everyone. ProFlexen contains natural ingredients for comprehensive support, including Boswellia serrata and ginger for improved comfort and flexibility, vitamin C for cartilage supporting collagen production, manganese for strong bones and connective tissue. This exceptional blend makes ProFlexen perfect for anyone wanting to maintain joint health and an active lifestyle. Don't let joint pain hold you back. Give your joints the support they deserve and restore your confidence.
To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.